To get into scrape माने to get into a model, get into a scrape. To fly off the handle, to lose one's temper. Fly off the handle को धर fly handle करियो माने होची lose one's temper को कमेयो lose करियो. To read between the lines माने होची to get in the scrape, to find oneself in an awkward predicament. असुविधा समय रे. To read between the lines माने to grasp the hidden meaning. लाइन भीतर पढ़िया माने होची hidden meaning को लुचितिया meaning को grasp करिया धरिवा. To blaze a trail, to initiate work in a movement. आरंभ करिवा. To blaze a trail माने होची to vehemently oppose करिवा. trail. To be lost in the cloud रे lost को निजे को हजीवा माने होची to be perplexed हजीवा. To flog a dead horse माने मृत घोड़ा. To waste one's effort, जनकर एफर्ट को उद्यम को वेस्ट करिया नष्ट करिया. फ्लॉग ए डेड हॉर्स मृत घोड़ा. हॉर्स मनी माने होची bribe paid to secure silence. हॉर्स मनी bribe paid to secure silence. लांच देकरी secure silence नीरव रहवा. हॉर्स मनी. To worship the rising sun को worship करवा अर्थ. To honor a man who is coming into office को जे आश्चर्य सम्मान दवा. All the sundry समस्त sundry माने everyone without distinction. sundry all and sundry दिन वाला सब distinct देखा जो फरक. everyone without distinction समस्त के सम्मान देखिवा distinction फरक करिवानी. To keep the ball rolling बॉल टा रोलिंग हो अर्थ होची keep the conversation going चलची. Turn the tables टेबल टा टर्न कर अर्थ to change the sorry scheme. To turn the tables to change the sorry scheme change करियो. To draw a bed open, to take aim at. To draw a bed open माने draw करियो bed open. To take aim लक्ष्य. Turn the table माने change the sorry scheme. table माने scheme आसियो. A tall order माने होची a task difficult. To pay one back in the same coin. Pay one back समान coin को. Pay back माने होची to retaliate फेरी जीवा पछ. Disabuse one's mind माने abuse करनी. disabuse. To remove a misapprehension remove करो. disabuse abuse माने गाल दवा. disabuse करनी. remove करो misapprehension खराब चिंता. A storm in a teacup. French leave माने होची French leave माने absence without permission. French leave माने बिना permission. A storm in a teacup रे झड़ा था. much excitement over something trivial. much excitement होगा. Castle in the air teacup चाहा कप माने इकड़े जो बसी पियंती. much excitement होगा. Castle in the air castle माने visionary project. visionary माने ओडे project vision होगा. To play fast and lose खेलिबो fast शीघ्र to play tricks रे. To have brush with माने to have a slight encounter. To have brush करियो अर्थ to have slight encounter करियो. To play fast and loose. Fast ଆଉ loose शीघ्र ଆଉ. To tempt providence. Providence माने to tempt. To take a reckless risks. To tempt a providence माने बिना reckless risks tempt providence. Lose face माने humiliated हबो और हीनमान करिए. To haul over the coals. To put to tax. काम देवा. To turn the other cheek. check करियो. To respond to violence with non-violence. check दवा माने non-violence रे अहिंसा रे तुम दबो check. To put the cart before the horse. cart को रखिबो horse आगे रे तो. To reverse the natural order of things. Natural order को reverse करियो उल्टा. To pull one's socks up. To try hard चेष्टा करियो. To pull one's socks up. socks मजा उठा माने try hard. To beat one's lip. bite one's lips ओठू कामुड़ियो रागी जीवो. To accept the gauntlet. gauntlet माने accept a challenge को accept करियो. Within an ace of एक narrowly माने अनावसरिया. Within an एक of dog in manager. To give currency दे दो अर्थ तो origin to make publicly known. publicly समझ जानिबे currency दबो टंका अर्थ समझ जानिबे. dog in the manager. dog in the manager अर्थ होची a person who prevent other from enjoying something useless to himself. person समझे prevent करियो enjoying करिया पे useless भावे. dog. To blow hot and cold. To be inconsistent. गरम ठंडा बहियो माने inconsistent आओ अस्थिर stable and unstable. To set up people by ears. people को set the people by ears. To excite people to quarrel. कली कजिया करिया पे excite करियो कहियो का काने रे. To give a chapter and verse for a thing. chapter दबो अर्थ to produce the proof of something. To give a chapter and verse for thing. chapter दबो. To beggar description. beggar description अर्थ होची भिखारी beyond one's power तार पावर बाहर. To give a chapter and verse for a thing. To produce the proof of something. प्रमाण to produce the proof of something. To plow the sands. sand को plow करो था to busy oneself in a way. busy हो व्यस्त हो which cannot lead to any profitable result. sand को plow करिया था profitable किसी हबन result खाली की हल करियो. four in the mouth. four पाटी रे. To be the extreme hatred. घृणा करियो hatred. To take umbrage. To be offended हो ହୀନମାନ ହବ, ଅଫେଣ୍ଡ କରିବେ। ଟଲ୍ ଅର୍ଡର ମାନେ difficult. To drink like a fish, ମାଛ ଭଳି ପିଇବା ଅର୍ଥ to drink in the company of others, ଏକାଠି ସାଙ୍ଗ ହେଇ ପିଇବା ଅନ୍ୟ କମ୍ପାନୀରେ, ମାଛ ଏକାଠି ପିଇବେନି। To fight to the bitter end, to carry on a contest regardless, consequence ଫଳାଫଳ, to carry on, to give false coloring ମାନେ to submit the false report ଦବ। Fight to the bitter end, to carry on contest କରିବ ବିନା ଫଳାଫଳରେ। Related day ମାନେ an important day, something of one sleep, ଜଣଙ୍କର ସ୍ଲିପ୍ ମାନେ କାଖ। A secret plan, Adam L ମାନେ ହଉଛି ୱାଟର, Adam L। To draw the long bow ମାନେ ନୁଆଁଇବା। To make an exaggerated statement, to draw the long bow, ଲମ୍ବା bow। To hit the jackpot ମାନେ to make money unexpectedly, ମନି ତିଆରି କରିବା ଟଙ୍କା। unexpectedly ମାନେ ବିନା ଆଶାରେ। hit the jackpot କୁ ହିଟ୍ କରିବା। tall order ମାନେ difficult। to draw the long bow ମାନେ ଲମ୍ବା bow। make an exaggerated statement, queer somebody pitch somebody, upset one's plan, upset ହେଇଯିବ ମାନେ ରାଗିଯିବ। to make the grade ମାନେ to come out successful, grade ପାଇବ ତ successful। to be up and doing ମାନେ to be actively engage ହବ, up and doing, actively engage। to see eye to eye with ମାନେ to agree ରାଜି ହବ, eye to eye ଆଖି ଆଖି ମିଳିବ। ଏ ଜଣ୍ଡିସ୍ ଆଇ ମାନେ ହଉଛି ପ୍ରିଜୁଡିସ୍ ମାନେ ହଉଛି ଜଣ୍ଡିସ୍ ଆଇ, ପକ୍ଷ ମାନେ ପ୍ରିଜୁଡିସ୍ ପକ୍ଷପାତ କରିବା, ଜଣ୍ଡିସ୍ ଆଇ। to see ରେଡ୍ ଦେଖାଯିବ ମାନେ to find fault with, ଫଲ୍ଟ ପାଇବା ରେଡ୍ ଆଖି ଲାଲି କରିବା। to push somebody to the wall, ପୁsh କରିବା ୱାଲ୍ ଆଡ଼ିକି ମାନେ ରିପିଟ୍ ତାକୁ ହରେଇବା। to be into the minds ଅର୍ଥ ହଉଛି to be uncertain ହବ ମନରେ, to be into the minds uncertain ଅସ୍ଥିର। leave one to sink or swim, ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବା ଜଣକୁ ବୁଡ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ। not to help କରିବାନି, leave one to sink or swim, ପହଁରିବ ନହେଲେ ବୁଡ଼ିବ। to rip up old sores ମାନେ to revive a quarrel which was almost forgotten, to rip up old sores, to revive a quarrel which was almost forgotten, ଯୋଉଟା ଭୁଲି ଯାଇଛି ଆମେ। a square peg in a round hole, square peg ଅର୍ଥ ହଉଛି a person unsuited to the position। to carry off the bell ମାନେ to bag the first position, ବେଲ୍ ବଜେଇବା ମାନେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ପୋଜିସନ୍। ସ୍କୋୟାର ପେଗ୍ ମାନେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ହୋଲ୍ ମାନେ ପର୍ସନ୍ ଅନସୁଇଟେଡ୍ ଟୁ ଦ ପୋଜିସନ୍, ସୁଟ୍ ହବନି ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ହୋଲ୍ରେ। ରିପ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଓଲ୍ଡ ସୋର୍ସ ମାନେ ଟୁ ରିଭାଇଭ୍ କ୍ୱାରେଲ୍ which was almost forgotten, ଯାହା ଭୁଲି ଯାଇଛି ଆମେ। to live in କ୍ଲୋଭର, to live in great comfort and luxury, ବଞ୍ଚି ରହିବା କମ୍ଫର୍ଟରେ ଲକ୍ଜରୀରେ। ୱିନ୍ ମନି ମାନେ ହେଉଛି ଆଲାୱାନ୍ସ, ଲବଙ୍ଗ ମାନେ ଲିଭ୍ ଇନ୍, କ୍ଲୋଭର ମାନେ ହେଉଛି ଲବଙ୍ଗ। ଲିଭ୍ ଇନ୍ ଗ୍ରେଟ୍ କମ୍ଫର୍ଟରେ ଆଉ ଲକ୍ଜରୀ ରହିବା। ପିନ୍ ମନି ଲବଙ୍ଗ ଖାଇବା ମାନେ ରହିବା କମ୍ଫର୍ଟରେ ଲଗ୍ଜୁରୀ। ପିନ୍ ମନି ଟଙ୍କା ମାନେ ହେଉଛି allowance made by the allowance made to a lady for her expenses ଦବା ଏକ୍ସପେନ୍ସ ପାଇଁ ମାନେ ପିନ୍ ମନି ଟଙ୍କା ଦବା। ଟୁ କିପ୍ ଦ allowance ପାଇଁ କିପ୍ ଦ wolf away from the door ବଧିଆକୁ away from the door ବାହାର କରିବା ଅର୍ଥ to keep away from extreme poverty ରୁ get down to brass tacks get down ହବ to brass begin to talk in plain ରେ straight forward brass tacks get down ଅର୍ଥ begin to talk in plain straight forward ରେ କହିବା ଲୋକନ୍ତି get down ସିଧା କହିବା। to show the white feather ଡେଣା ପର ଦେଖିବ to show signs of cowardice ପର ଦେଖିବା ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି ପକ୍ଷୀ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଉଡ଼ିବ ପର ଦେଖିବ ଦୁର୍ବଳ ଦେଖାଯିବ cowardice ଭୀରୁ। speak and span ଅର୍ଥ ବୁଲେଇବା ବୁଣିବା spin neat and clean speak to take the wind out of the another sails wind ବାହାର କରିବ ପବନ another sails to anticipate another and to gain advantage over him ପୂର୍ବାନୁମାନ କରିବା another sail ମାନେ ଅନ୍ୟର ନୌକାରେ ଯାଆନ୍ତି sailing sails anticipate another and to gain advantage over him ତା ଉପରେ ଅଧିକ ସଫଳତା ପାଇବା advantage ପାଇବା। to carry the coal to Newcastle ମାନେ to do menial jobs କୋଲକୁ ନେଇକି ଯିବ ମାନେ menial job ହୀନ କାମ କରିବ। to run ଆମକୁ ମାନେ to run about in frenzy to have full hand ମାନେ ପୁରା ହାତ fully occupied ପୁରା ଅଧିକାର କରିଥିବ। ଏ ବେକର ଡଜନ ମାନେ ବେକର୍ସ 13 ଡଜନ ମାନେ 13 ଏଇଟା 12 ହବନି। to hit the nail on the head जो କଣ୍ଟା to guess right ଠିକ ଭାବିବା right ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ କଣ୍ଟା ବାଢିବା ଅର୍ଥ guess କରିବା ଠିକ। to give once a long rope ଦୌଡ଼ ଦବା ଅର୍ଥ to allow man continue his mistakes crime କରିବା ପାଇଁ। a shop of servers server ମାନେ ransom to an enemy ଶତ୍ରୁ stop of the pros and cons ମାନେ for and against a thing pros cons in double quick time ମାନେ double quick time very quickly ଶୀଘ୍ର। to turn the cover ମାନେ to pass the crisis କୁ pass କରିବା। double quick time ମାନେ very quickly। a bull in a China shop ରେ bull ମାନେ a person who is rough and clumsy where skill and care are required ଦକ୍ଷ ଦରକାର। a bull in China shop ରେ ଷଣ୍ଢ। by fair means or foul ମାନେ fair mean anyway honest and dishonest fair or foul। to look down on one's nose ମାନେ ତଳକୁ ଅନେଇବା ନାକରେ ମାନେ to regard with half hidden ଲୁଚି ଯାଇଥିବା displeasure or contempt look down ତଳକୁ ଚାହିଁବା regard with half hidden displeasure ମାନେ ଦୁଃଖରେ। hard press ମାନେ difficult to be at one's finger end ମାନେ ଆଙ୍ଗୁଠି ଶେଷ ମାନେ completely conversant with complete ହେଇଯିବ କଥା। to pull strings ଦୌଡ଼ିକି ଟାଣିବା ମାନେ to exert hidden influence pull string ବାହାର କରିବ hidden influence ଲୁଚି ଯାଇଥିବା। green horn ମାନେ experienced man ଅଭିଜ୍ଞ ଲୋକ green horn। to be old as the hills ପାହାଡ଼ ଭଳି old ମାନେ to be very ancient ପ୍ରାଚୀନ to be old as hills very ancient. Greenhorn माने expressman, नील सिंह. To be string, pull string माने exert hidden influence को. One's finger end माने completely conversant. To look sharp माने sharp अर्थ to be quick शीघ्र. To show one's teeth दांत देखिवा माने to adopt threatening माने भय देखिवा जो माकड़ दांत देखाए. To pour oil in the trouble water रे पानी पकेवा माने trouble water रे तेल पकेवा जो हलीला पानी रे माने to calm quarrel शांत. To play on a fiddle खेलिवा. To busy over play on fiddle रे माने खेलिवा माने busy रहिवा. To be made one's peace cues. To mind one's peace cues माने to be accurate. Mind PQ माने accurate precise छोटा. To one's mind. To one's beck and call. Beck and call माने to be always at one's service. Swan song last work at a poet of musician.